Steal his stuff. Oh, there's a guy there. There's a couple of guys.
A bad place for me to fight.
Mine.
Should I go?
Why are they sitting up there?
Really bugged here. I'd get the rope even down here to extract.
Yeah, we just killed his entire fucking team and he starts an extraction.
Patsy got the whole thing.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Funny. Oh, he called in the extraction first then.
Yeah, we
There's
killed
another
like,
guy.
yeah, we killed their entire team. And he's like, no, I'm gonna extract. Mine.
You're so fast.
Yeah, I hold down F before he actually goes down.
Yeah.
We need one more.
No respawn right next to us. Right?
Is it only this little bit right here?
Yeah, for
No,
some
it's on
reason.
No, it's the entire other side as well.
Okay.
I want over here. Ooh.
Yes, it's nice. I have the booster shots. It's also giving like damage reduction, right?
I'm
Yeah,
playing
yeah.
the booster shot. So we're good.
I guess we're having a shopper inbound. I heard that from one of you guys. Must have been
Must be
Arnie.
RG. Yeah. Laptop.
There they are.
Oh, I see them.
Let's put the shit
Oh
on the
shit,
rope.
there's a group coming. Oh crap, how routine. Just
Oh,
to
they
start
went
off.
rogue. No?
No, not on my screen. I'll put the shop turret.
Yeah, they ulted.
He's also using smart cover,
Should
one of
we?
them.
Should we ult?
I
Again?
did already.
Do we
Oh.
need one?
I have a smart cover here. And just go in and out of it. They ulted again.
Do we need one? Like...
No, not really.
Oh, okay.
He's going down. Oh shit, he shot me. I'll put a new cover here on the wall. Forgot to extract. I'll need to go back.
Yeah, I didn't put mine on as well.
Oh shit,
Ah,
extracted items are in the way.
Wait, they have some loot, these guys.
Nice. There's a shock turret. Take it out. Good job.
I cannot fucking jump over the wall.
Just strip a stack.
Do you have anything good?
There's one more guy here.
I got the shield catch purple.
We got scanned. Passive. The Hoover.
Didn't have that much. I only have 8 items now.
Me too.
I got 8 as well. Which
So
2 are fucking purpose. I'm gonna deconstruct that.